Okay, so managing the ever-growing flood of data, well, it's a massive headache for organizations, right?
Absolutely. It just seems to increase exponentially.
So in this deep dive, we're tackling Redstor. They're a data management solution getting quite a bit of buzz.
Heard the name?
Our goal is pretty simple. Figure out why over 40,000 organizations apparently trust them daily. We're talking cost-effective, independent, high-performing backups.
That's a big claim. 40,000 users.
And to kick us off, we've actually got a 5-star rating from Enterprise Red.
Okay, Enterprise Red. They're a managed service provider.
An MSP.
Exactly. They handle IT for other businesses. And they rated Redstor 5 stars across cost, performance, and ease of use.
That's a strong start.
It really is. A 5-star rating, especially hitting those key areas, cost, performance, usability, that suggests something significant is going on there.
Yeah.
Enterprise Red calls them an exceptional, independent, cost-effective backup solution. Now, that word independent, that's interesting.
How so? What does independent likely point to?
Well, it probably means Redstor isn't tied to specific hardware or a single cloud vendor's ecosystem.
Yeah.
It can likely integrate more broadly.
Avoiding that vendor lock-in.
Precisely. Which often translates to avoiding those higher costs you get when you're stuck with one provider for everything.
Makes sense. Cost effectiveness is always, a huge deal. Data management costs can really spiral.
They absolutely can.
So how might Redstor be getting those lower costs? Any ideas?
It could be a few things. Maybe architectural efficiency. A design that doesn't need tons of expensive hardware on site.
Or maybe flexible pricing, something that scales better.
Yeah, perhaps true usage-based pricing. The fact that Enterprise, who, remember, manages this stuff for multiple clients, they see it in action, gives them top marks, suggests, real-world savings are happening.
Okay, and the phrase exceptional backup solution, what does that actually look like day to day?
Well, performance in backup really boils down to speed. How fast can you back up? Sure, but maybe more importantly,
how fast can you restore?
Exactly. When something goes wrong, minimizing that downtime is absolutely critical. An exceptional solution would also likely offer really granular recovery.
Meaning
you can grab just the specific files or emails you need rather than having to restore like an entire server image. Saves a ton of time.
Gotcha. Our sources also mention Redstor revolutionizing data management.
High praise.
Offering unparalleled visibility and access on demand. And this idea of managing all your data seamlessly, like without borders or limits.
Okay, let's break that down. Borderless data management.
Yeah, what's that about?
That likely means managing data wherever it sits. On-prem servers, different cloud platforms like AWS or Azure, maybe SaaS apps too, all from one place.
A single pane of glass kind of thing.
Pretty much. And unparalleled visibility points to a central dashboard, good reporting, give you that complete picture of your data, both with management, security, compliance.
Right, and on-demand access.
That's about getting your data back quickly whenever you need it.
Yeah.
Vital for business agility. No waiting around.
It feels compelling that Enterprise, being an MSP, is highlighting these points. Their own reputation kind of rides on recommending good solutions.
That's a really good point. Their 5-star endorsement isn't just theoretical. They see how Redstor actually performs for different types of businesses.
So it's based on actual deployments, real user experience.
Exactly. It suggests their clients are genuine seeing those benefits, the cost savings, the fast performance, the ease of use. It's not just marketing fluff.
Okay, so wrapping this part up. Redstor looks like a solution aiming for seamless, borderless data management. Big focus on visibility, quick access. They've built significant trust, that 40,000 number, and got a strong thumbs up from Enterprise Red where it counts. Cost, performance, usability.
Precisely. For organizations trying to navigate today's, frankly, complex data landscapes, they seem to be offering a pretty compelling package.
So, turning to you listening, as data just keeps getting more and more critical, what are the absolute must-haves you demand from a backup solution? Think about it. What are your non-negotiables for keeping your data safe and accessible?
Yeah, that's a great question for reflection. And if you do want to dig deeper into what Redstor offers, Enterprisers is probably a good starting point. You can actually contact them directly.
You got a number?
Yep, it's +44 0 118 228 6207.
Great. Our goal here was really just to give you a quick, focused look, a shortcut, maybe to understanding a key player in data management.
Hope it was useful.
Hopefully this deep dive has done just that. Until our next exploration.